Guys, so today I am gonna do a video. I'm sorry about the background noise. I'm sorry about the fan because I'm really hot, but it's not on because of the noise. So I am gonna get started. So I'm gonna do a slime pet peeves. So I think I'm pretty late to it. So yeah, let's get started. So first pet peeve is when they're poking a slime and they're talking at the same time and you can't even. Guys, so today I am going to make a cool video and it's gonna be awesome. And today I'm gonna make some satisfying noises because it's gonna make your next one is don't show the slime at all. So hey guys, so I got Peachy Baby's slime, like not all her slime, but I went to her website and got her restocks. So I can't show it to you right now because it's in my dad's friend's sister dog's car. So yeah, sorry. One is when they're poking it and they take out the audio noise, like how noise of the video. So let's get showing this stuff. Next one is put music while they're poking, like really loud music. I don't understand that. That annoys me a lot. Like, man, we're here for the poking. So is when they're poking with one finger. We need more pokes. We don't need one finger. I don't know what it is, but I just don't like it. So that is all for today's video. Those were the 5 pet peeves. And if you guys want to see more, leave in the comments down below. And yeah, and next clip is gonna be bloopers. So yeah, I had more, but I just didn't think I thought they were too cringy. So yeah, see you next time. Hey guys, so man, I forgot what I was gonna say. Because I don't have it because it's in my dad's sister's friend's dog's car. So